Michael, can I ask you something?
Of course,
Why do some people study English for years but still hesitate when it's time to speak?
because they're learning English as a subject instead of using it as a language.
That's interesting. What do you mean?
Most learners collect vocabulary and grammar rules, but they never train their minds to think in English.
So speaking fluently starts in the mind?
Exactly. Before English comes out of your mouth, it has to become part of your thinking.
And today we're going to show everyone how to do that?
Absolutely. Let's begin.
The secret of fluent speakers. Michael, what's one thing fluent English speakers do differently?
They don't translate every sentence.
So they're not thinking in another language first?
No, they connect ideas directly to English.
Can you explain that with an example?
Sure, if I'm thirsty, I don't think about the sentence in another language first. I simply think, I'm thirsty, I need some water.
That sounds much faster.
It is. That's why fluent speakers respond naturally in conversations.
Starting your day in English. What's a simple way to practice this every day?
Start the moment you wake up.
What should people say to themselves?
Something simple. Good morning, I slept well. Today feels great. I have a busy day ahead. I'm ready to get started.
Those are easy sentences.
Exactly. Fluency starts with simple thoughts.
Many people think they need advanced vocabulary.
Not at all. Simple English used consistently is more powerful than difficult English used rarely.
Turn your environment into a classroom. What if someone doesn't have a speaking partner?
That's completely fine. Your environment can become your teacher.
How?
Describe what you see around you.
Can you give us an example?
Sure. The room is quiet. My laptop is on the desk. The sunlight is coming through the window. I need to organize my notes. Everything around you becomes practice material.
So everyday life becomes an English lesson?
Exactly.
Building confidence. A lot of learners are afraid of making mistakes. What would you tell them?
Mistakes are part of the learning process.
Even for advanced speakers?
Absolutely. Nobody speaks perfectly all the time
Then why do people worry so much?
because they focus on being perfect instead of being understood.
What's more important?
Communication. If people understand your message, you're already succeeding.
Thinking in English during daily activities. Can people practice while doing normal activities?
Definitely. In fact, that's one of the best ways to improve.
For example,
While cooking, I'm preparing dinner. The vegetables look fresh. This smells delicious. Or, while driving, the road is busy today. I need to take the next exit. The traffic is moving smoothly.
that's actually very practical.
Because English should fit naturally into your life.
Developing a fluent mindset. How long does it take to start seeing improvement?
That depends on consistency.
What if someone practices every day?
They'll notice changes surprisingly fast. Their thoughts become quicker. Their responses become smoother. Their confidence grows naturally.
So daily practice matters more than long study sessions?
Exactly. 10 focused minutes every day can be more effective than one long session each week.
The 7-day challenge. Before we finish, do you have a challenge for our viewers?
Yes. For the next 7 days, spend 10 minutes thinking only in English. Describe your morning. Describe your plans. Describe your surrounding. Describe your feelings.
No translating?
No translating. Just simple English thoughts.
And what happens after 7 days?
You'll begin to notice that English feels more natural, and that's the first step toward real fluency.
Thank you for joining us today.
Remember, fluency isn't about knowing every word. It's about using the words you already know.
Practice a little every day.
Stay consistent, stay confident, and keep thinking in English.
If you enjoyed today's lesson and want to improve your English every day, make sure to subscribe to my channel. We upload new English lessons, listening practice, and speaking tips regularly to help you become a confident English speaker.
And don't forget to like this video and share it with a friend who's learning English.
Thank you for watching. Emma and Michael, make sure to subscribe to my channel. We upload new English lessons, listening practice, and speaking tips regularly to help you become a confident English speaker.
And don't forget to like this video and share it with a friend who's learning English.
Together, see you next time. Goodbye. Thank you for watching. Emma and Michael, together, see you next time. Goodbye.